If you love pastries, most likely you also like trying out new recipes. These are some of must-have essentials for you to be able to do easy baking at home. We are going to share a few items that we use for our baking. Some you must have them, some you can do without them. Actually, most of them you can do without them because you can use what you already have. We're going to divide them into three: preparation, measuring, and cutting. All these are tools. What we don't have, we make do with other items that we have. So let's go straight to the items, and we're just going to do them just randomly. I don't think we'll use any system per se because you also don't use the system, but we'll highlight which ones are for which purpose. So I think I'll put everything else aside and start with this. So this is an oven mitt. This one, it is like this. So how you use it is that you put in your hands like this, both hands, and then when you're removing something from the oven, you just pick it so that your hands are safe from the oven heat. There are different shapes. We have the other ones where you just put in your hand and then you just pick, but this is my favorite. Yeah, this one. This is considered part of the preparation. Then we have the sieve. If you have been watching us, you know even for other purposes we sieve, but it is always advisable that you sieve before you use the dry ingredients. Then we have the whisk. When you're preparing your batter, you use the whisk. And of course, you have the option of using an electric mixer. Well, at the whisk, let's just address this. So electric mixer, we have Mulinex, and it has a stand. It comes with a stand or without. I actually hardly use this stand because I don't do much big butter and all that. And then it comes into two. One makes lighter butter and the other one is for thicker butter, like when you're making pizza dough and when you're making maybe cupcakes or cakes dough. When you're making thick and light butter, basically. Then after the whisk, we have the brush. This is a pastry brush and you use it to, when you're oiling the whatever, when you're preparing the pan for baking and all that. So those are part of this kitchen collection. This set actually covers all your kitchen needs, from even the whatever's, everything. So yeah, it's a good one to have. So if you don't have the mixer, you can use the bowls. And we have this. This is an egg separator. When you just want the egg white without the yolk, you use this to separate your egg. So I've been clearing as we go through them. So we have the grater. This one you can grate almost everything, cheese and all that. Okay. Then we have the cutting wheel. It actually rolls and it's not sharp, so it can't hurt you. Then we have the digital scale. I think I have two, but I can't find the other one when I'm recording this video. And then we have the measuring cups. We have these two types. We have this and this. If you ask me, this is a better one because it gives you the mls. It gives you, like, now it will give you 250 ml, and this side it will tell you it's a cup. So it actually easily guides you. And this one also will give you the specific mls only. Okay, and there are only 5. This comes with an extra the tablespoon, which is the blue one, and this orange one is the teaspoon. So at least it comes as a full package as compared to this. So in case you're shopping, it's better to take this set. It has more. Then we have these cupcake holders. These are silicone, so they are reusable. They are very good to ensure that you keep yeah, they are oven safe. Yeah. Then we have these cutters. I want to call them cutters. They are usually called cookie cutter. So they shape the things that you want to make. If you watched our video on cookies, we used these cutters. Even on our mandazis or previous videos, we have used them. So they come in handy, and they're different sizes. I think I have another shape, but I can't find it now. Then we have, so when I had just these cups, I had to buy this set because now this cup does not have the spoons, and this now has the spoons. It has 15 ml, even 1 ml. This one is 2.5 ml. This is 5, and this is 7.5. Even if you have this one, you might need this one because it has the spoon size, smaller spoon sizes. You can see the last 2 are quite small, so you might still need to get them. Okay, so we have measuring jugs. This one goes up to 1.5 liter. The measurements are here. This one goes up to a liter, 1000. They are here. And this one goes up to 600. But of course, these are used for the liquid, and the weighing scale, the digital scale, is for the dry ingredients. Then we have this for decoration. To be very honest, I don't know why we have this, because we have never used it. Yeah. And it comes with different shapes of nozzles. Okay, so the day we have actually used it. Yeah, but the day we are doing decoration, then we get to use these nozzles. Yeah. Then of course we have the rolling pin. If you're making maybe a pizza dough, you need to roll it. And then we have a mat. This, let me just clear so that I can show you. So this is how the mat looks like. It can be used for pizza, plats, whatever that is. Honestly, read. You can read for yourself. I don't know how to pronounce it. Also this one and that one. So it has some shape of the rolling, and then it gives you measurements here if you want to accurately measure whatever you're spreading to the last. You can see it has the measurements even on the side. The material is silicone, and then of course it tells you not to heat. To this one I'm not sure. Oh, to connect to power or use a knife. Yeah, so this comes in handy. You can use it for your normal baking, and you can also, I mostly use it also for my chapatis. Yeah, so I think that's all for today. What is missing in the list is the baking pans, which we have, but I felt like it's not a must that you have baking pans. You can make do with your existing pots. Yeah, comment down below what you have invented to use in place of those so-called commercial stuff that you can use in your house.